my father was a general contractor, and he had several licenses in construction, specialty licenses. And the first one that he got was a license in concrete foundation. And so growing up, I was around concrete and foundations quite a bit. And it just seemed to be the trade that I was good at. Well, I really enjoy the look on the customer's face when they see the end product that we produce, because we really are quite exceptional in the architectural concrete, which is the finished concrete. We're great at the foundations and all this other stuff, but the finished product of architectural concrete is just wows people. Well, I think high quality comes from experience. Uh, Concrete is very complicated in nature. People don't realize all the things that go into it. And Sal Ricciago, who's running the company, he has been doing this all of his life. And he's just amazing at keeping quality control. He also checks every job before we pour concrete, and it's a process that provides the customer with the best. Okay, let's see. We had an interesting customer in Piedmont, California. The customer wanted to have a greenhouse or a healthy house, so they decided they wanted to provide collect a water in a cistern and have a gray and a black water system. So we put in a pool and a cistern in the backyard. The interesting thing about it was the yard wasn't big enough for the customer, so they went around the corner and decided to offer the neighbor to buy their house. So they bought the neighbor's house so they could expand their yard, so we could do more work. We had to create to get to the access to the backyard of the original house. We had to create a bridge over to this other property to bring things in from the other property to the back of this property. And, it took quite a long time because the project was in solid rock. And you can imagine being a pool and a cistern. Well, I think the first question they should ask is show me a project that you're proud of, and provide them with the location of something that's in the same genre of the work that they want, and then they can go by and take a look for themselves. There's nothing like seeing the product after it's been done to help you understand what you're going to get. For example, they might ask, well, what's this going to look like in 5 years? So we have a database that we hand out. It's quite expensive, and in this database there are some categories that they can choose for the type of work that they want, their addresses and contacts, and they can go look. There's nothing like going and looking and seeing how something performs over